Hello everyone, if you're new to the channel, my name is Gerard. I make tutorial videos on taxation and other related content. So on this video, I'm going to be talking about taxability and tax exemption of cooperatives. So a cooperative refers to an autonomous and duly registered association of persons with a common bond of interest who have voluntarily joined together to achieve their social, economic, and cultural needs and aspirations by making equitable contributions to the capital required, patronizing their products and services, and accepting a fair share of the risk and benefits of the undertaking in accordance to universally accepted cooperative principles. Now, the primary government agency overseeing cooperatives here in the Philippines is the Cooperative Development Authority or CDA. Now, if you are interested in creating your own cooperative, I'll link their website in the description below. So locally, we have different kinds of cooperatives depending on the activity they are engaged in. So to name a few, we have credit cooperatives, agrarian reform cooperative, cooperative bank, electric cooperative, water service cooperative, and multipurpose cooperative or MPC. Now, the legal source of tax exemption of cooperatives is under Article 60, 61, and 144 of Republic Act 9520, otherwise known as the Philippine Cooperative Code of 2008. Article 60 talks about the tax treatment. 61 pertains to tax and other exemptions, while Article 144 talks about the issuance of a certificate of tax exemption and its validity of 5 years. Now, one of the primary documentary requirements in applying for a certificate of tax exemption from the BIR is the Certificate of Compliance duly issued by CDA. So qualified co-ops shall be exempted in paying any tax and fees, including but not limited to income tax, value-added tax or VAT, percentage tax, donor's tax, excise tax, documentary stamp tax, annual registration fee, and taxes on transactions with insurance companies and banks. The general classification of cooperatives, according to the extent of the tax exemption granted, are as follows. First one, those duly registered cooperatives which transact business with members only. Second, those duly registered cooperatives which transact business with both members and non-members, which are further subclassified according to the following. First one, cooperatives with accumulated reserves and undivided net savings of not more than 10 million. Second would be cooperatives with accumulated reserves and undivided net savings of more than 10 million. So to understand this, let's have an illustration. So a duly registered credit cooperative generates a common pool of funds in order to provide financial assistance and other related financial services for provident purposes to its members only. The cooperative reported 20 million interest income for the calendar year. So as a cooperative transacting business with its members only, the credit cooperative shall be entitled of tax exemption provided under Article 60 of RA 9520, implemented in RMC 12-2010, Section 7 of the Joint Rules and Regulations implementing Article 60, 61, and 144 of RA 9520. So based from the given data, the cooperative is exempted from the taxes I mentioned because it only transacts with its members. So let's go to our second problem. A duly registered consumer cooperative that transacts with members and non-members had gross sales of 2 million for the quarter, 3/4 of which was sold to non-members. The cooperative had accumulated reserves and undivided net savings of 11 million. Now, as a rule, cooperatives with accumulated reserves and undivided net savings of not more than 10 million shall be exempt from all national internal revenue taxes for which these cooperatives are liable. But in our illustration, the accumulated reserves and undivided net savings is more than 10 million. Therefore, the cooperative is liable for income tax and percentage tax insofar as to sales to non-members. Conversely, the sales to members are exempt. You can read more how a cooperative is taxed in RMC 12-2010. I'll also link that RMC in the description below. And that's it. I hope this video sheds a light on taxation in relation to cooperatives. Thanks for watching. So if you found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tax videos to help you improve your skills and knowledge in taxation. Lastly, if you haven't yet already, hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated with tax videos. So this is Gerard. Have a great day.